Did you know that your toilet has a lifespan? That's right. Just like any other home appliance, your toilet needs maintenance, and sometimes it needs a complete replacement. But how do you know when it's time for a repair? Or invest in a new toilet? Stick around, and at the end, we'll have answers to all those questions. Let's address some of the minor issues that might be affecting your toilet. If your toilet tank isn't filling properly, it's usually a sign that you have a bad fill valve. That's this guy right here. Or the flapper on your flush valve. These are relatively simple fixes, and they can extend the life of your toilet. But what about more significant problems?
Another common issue with toilets is incomplete flushing. This is caused by hard water, leading to calcium buildup in the rim or jets. This can restrict water flow and diminish flushing efficiency. Fortunately, this can be a do-it-yourself repair. Cleaning the rim and jets with a solution like CLR can remove the buildup. It restores proper water flow and flushing power.
But completely replacing your toilet, it's easier said than done. So what should you look for when you're going to be replacing your toilet? Pay attention to the brand and reviews. Some toilets have glazed traps. This allows for a smoother passageway of your solids and waste all the way through your toilet. Also, you might want to consider a comfort height toilet, kind of like the one I'm sitting on today. Other toilets that come in round or elongated. These elongated ones are 17 inches high. They're 2 inches higher than the normal ones, and you can get those in either round or elongated style. So all in all, don't let an outdated or broken toilet ruin your comfort and bathroom experience. Whether it's a minor repair or a total and complete replacement, make sure your toilet meets your needs. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and take care of your throne.